Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can update Netflix payment. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and I'm in my Android device, so I'm gonna teach you according to that. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, just go to your Netflix app or Netflix website and just log in with your account, and you can choose your profile and be in the Netflix section like this. Once you are over here, on your left hand side you'll be having three lines. Just go over here and then go to account, and then you'll be over here like this. And then what you need to do is you need to go to manage membership, and then just choose a bit down and you will be finding this manage payment method. Just go over here, and from here you can update your Netflix payment, or you can add payment from here. You can add your MasterCard, or you can add your PayPal as well. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.